Here's a quick video on how I use the SiteFacts Slope Calculator. I use this every time that I do a property evaluation. It makes it way easier just to get a slope percentage calculated instead of trying to scratch it on paper. So we've got Google Earth pulled up here. I've got a property that I'm working on. It doesn't look like it has a whole lot of slope, but we're going to check this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by turning on the measurement tool. You see the little ruler box down here. And I am going to scan this property front to back, side to side. Starting out here, if you don't already know, Google Earth, if you look down here at the bottom, it tells you the elevation underneath of the cursor. And so what we're going to do for this is we're going to start up here, and I'm going to go ahead and click that ruler in. Elevation is 3169. Let's go ahead and put that into the calculator. And then I'm going to go to the back of the pad. Kind of look around, see what we got. Looks like 3164. Going to go ahead and click that in, 3164. And then in our ruler box, if we can find it, right there, we've got a map length of 102.81, 102.95. We can use either or. It's going to be close enough for what we're doing. So 102.81. So that shows us this property from front to back has got a slope of 4.9%, and that's a down slope. And in this calculator, if you want to get that information sent to you in your email, all you've got to do is just put your email in there real quick and click a send. You've got that saved as a little report in your email. We're going to do one more. Let's go crossways across this property to get a little more practice. So I'm going to refresh the page here and come over here to the left hand side. And again, I've got 3169. I'm going to go ahead and click that in, 3169. And then we're going to come across the property at 3167. 3167. And then we've got a total run length of 70.64. That shows us that we've got a 2.8% downslope going crossways across that property. So we've got a pretty good feel now. You know, the property's got a little more slope than what we had originally thought. You know, 2 feet of drop side to side on a small property like this is probably going to take a step foundation. They're going to have to look at potentially steps and decks going towards the back. We can look here on Google Earth, see there's a little bit of slope. So there you have it. That's how I use SiteFacts Slope Calculator. I use that on pretty much every single report that I do. Makes it way easier to calculate that slope percentage.